The temporary farmers and vendors market at parking lot under Zone 3 Pasture Beat House started today to accommodate vegetables, meat, and fish vendors from Polo area and other areas of the city. With an aim to decongest the major market areas of Shillong, to provide a clean and hygienic setup for hawkers and vendors to ply their trade, and to ensure ample space for customers so that social distancing is maintained. The temporary market has been started through a joint initiative of the Office of the Deputy Commissioner and Incident Commander Zone 3, supported by MBDA, SCSTE, MSRLS, and SRGT. SHG's farmer groups, hawkers, and vendors were briefed and consulted and allotted space in this market.